Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing an arbitrage opportunity, and I want you guys to know that this particular opportunity I'm going to be showing you is going to be the best arbitrage video you ever watch on YouTube. Okay, so do yourself a favor to watch this video from beginning to the end so as to grab everything I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. Don't worry, I'm just starting this way. I'm still going to take you guys step by step on how to get this done. Okay, so if this is your first time on this particular channel, just know you are watching from Trade with the Great YouTube channel, and I document videos on crypto trading, forex, and how to make money online. So do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I post lovely content on crypto, forex, and how to make money online. Okay, so not to waste much time, let's dive into what we have in today. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking an arbitrage opportunity that this particular site is showing me right now. Like I said, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you guys the step by step on how to get this done. So I just want to show you this part because I know the time it took me to spot this opportunity, so I don't want it to slide, okay, by thereby wasting much time on getting another one. So I just want to show you guys this particular one, how it works and how to go about it. Okay, so now this particular website is telling us that we start by BTC, sell to USDT and Gala. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We are going to be, and this particular arbitrage is going to be done on Binance. Okay, so now we head straight to Binance. First of all, we are going to be buying BTC. All right, so if I buy BTC right now, we are going to click here on sports trading. We're going to search BTC USDT. So there we'll be buying BTC USDT, and I'm going to be telling you guys, like, if you want to trade this particular arbitrage, make money on arbitrage, you should be at least, you should use nothing less than minimum $100 up. Okay, anything less from $100 won't make you any profit. Okay, so now this is how to get this done. Right now we are going to be buying on this particular price. So if we buy using at least $200, okay, so this is what the amount of BTC is going to be here. We're just going to copy it. Now we are going to be searching for Gala. So we search for Gala. Now Gala BTC. Okay, so we are going for Gala BTC right now. So the Gala BTC, you can see the price and everything. So now I'm just going to buy Gala right now at this particular price, that's the 17. So if I buy, they are going to be here, is going to execute. So now I'll paste that particular figures I copy on that amount. That's BTC worth $200. If I paste it right now, I'll be getting this amount of Gala. Okay, so if I copy this amount of Gala right now and go back and search for Gala USDT, so I'm going to be searching for Gala USDT right now. So the Gala, okay, USDT, and we are going to be selling it, this particular Gala, to USDT right now. So if I paste the amount of Gala right here, so I'm going to be pasting it. So now we paste that Gala. So remember that the initial amount we used for this was $200, and right now how much are you seeing? If we click on, if we sell to USDT, we are going to be making nothing less than $6. Okay, so well, that is just $6 right here. That is the profits we are going to be making. So I'll mind you that there are fees that applies to this. Okay, so as you buy from there to there are fees that are going to be applied to it. Right now you can see the estimated fee is going to be 0.15 cents. Okay, so you are going to be doing your minus and checking. So after doing your minus and checking, everything shouldn't be more than $1. Okay, and you might just go out with your $5 profit, but there is a way to minimize that particular fee. Okay, since you are trading on Binance and you know that Binance owns the Binance Smart Chain, that's the Binance Smart Chain Network, BSC. Okay, so now we are going to be leaving a little amount in BNB so as to get 25% off on all fees. So this is how to, if you come to the fee right here, you are going to be seeing it. So once you are being charged for, if being charged fee out of every BNB, you get a 25% discount. So that is how it's being done. Now let me take you step by step on how to use this particular website. Now this is how to get it done. If you come to this particular place right now on your Google, your Chrome, depending on the browser you're using, it could be Safari on iOS devices. Okay, so if I type in right here the macro, that's the name of the website. So if I type in macro right here, it's going to be opening. So, and we click on the first link. So just know that this particular website is very complicated, and if you don't calm down to see how to use it, you do a lot of mistake using this particular website. Okay, so now I click on this particular first link I'm seeing right now. So it's going to be taking me to their dashboard, I mean their website, their interface right here. So now we are going to be searching for, because right here now, if we look at it right there, you see that there's nothing, there does nothing look like crypto arbitrage right now. So we are going to be searching, making a search, and mind you are not searching for crypto arbitrage. Okay, so we click on the search button here. So all you're going to be searching for is crypto exchange. So if you search on crypto exchange right now, so all this is going to pop out. Then you scroll down, you are going to be clicking on this one. They say top crypto exchanges. Okay, if you click on top crypto exchanges, now you can see right now is on crypto. So now that is on crypto, you are going to be clicking from this place. You navigate to coins. So what you get to coins right now. So let's wait for it to load. Get to coins. So this is it right now. So once you get to coins, you are going to be selecting an exchange you want to be doing this particular arbitrage opportunity on. Okay, so if I click on this particular drop down button so as to give me all the list of exchanges that I should be trading this particular arbitrage with. So we are just going to choose Binance. So if we choose on Binance right now, it's going to load. So right now we're on Binance and we are going to be choosing triangles. Okay, arbitrage. So because this is a triangle arbitrage. What is triangle arbitrage, by the way? Triangle arbitrage is thereby you are going to be making trades between three cryptocurrencies, three crypto tokens, and you make gain at the end of every trade. Okay, so now this is it, and these are pairs, I mean cryptocurrencies that you are going to be trading this particular arbitrage with. Okay, so now all you're going to do is you click on any one of your choice right here. So if you click on this particular one, the first one right here, then it's going to be opening. Then you look to see if you are going to be seeing an arbitrage opportunity with this particular token. Okay, now right now is loading. So you can see potential triangular arbitrage between USDT, BH and PHA on Binance Exchange. All right, so right now you can see it's a cancel right here, which means the opportunity for this particular one has elapsed. All right, it has elapsed, so there's no way we can make money. Okay, trading with this particular, you can't, there's no opportunity right now. You can see no arbitrage. So The thing with this website is that everything right here is free, and you know that anything that is free will always stress you. Free things will stress you to the last, for real. So right here you are going, there are tons of coins, if not hundreds to thousands of them. So you are going to be making search. Everything right here is going to be done manually. Okay, so let me just show you how to. Okay, right, let me just show you something. We click on anyone right now. So how to know where the particular one to buy. So it's giving you a direction on how to buy this right now. So it's telling you that you start right here. You start, and starting, you are going to be starting from BTC. That's what it's saying. So that says you go to Binance Exchange, you buy BTC with USDT. Then once you buy BTC with USDT, you exchange that's BTC for this EIGEN, okay? EIGEN, okay? You exchange it for this EIGEN and then sell back to USDT, and you get to make your profit, okay? So now that's how you are going to be searching. You are going to be looking for all the coins right here in order to get an opportunity. Take for an instance, let's see if there's still an opportunity on that particular coin I showed at the beginning of this particular video, okay? And one thing you should know, that any opportunity you spot, you have to be fast about it, because this opportunity doesn't last. It could expire in no time, okay? So you have to act fast, and I'll be showing you things to look out for before even taking this opportunity. So let's go down to looking out for that particular coin. So I don't think I remember the name. Let's just scroll down. I might just see it and I recognize it, okay? So let's just go down. Okay, now I remember that particular coin is called Gala, okay? Let's look out to see if there's still an opportunity for arbitrage right here. So I'll now be showing you how to get that done. So even though I've showed you how to get that done from the beginning, so now you can still see that this particular opportunity is still on. So now that this particular opportunity is still on, now they are telling us to purchase BTC and sell it. That's if you purchase BTC right now, you buy Gala with your BTC and sell it back to USDT. That's how it's been done. I've showed you this from the beginning, okay? So now that we have seen this, and we are going to realize about 2.4% in profit, you head on straight to Binance and you search for BTC first. You purchase BTC with your money, so you search for BTC first. Once you purchase BTC with about $200, then you purchase about $200. So, and this is the fee they are going to charge you for it. So remember how I told you how to get a 25% discount on every fee they charge, okay? So this is the fee you are going to be charging for it. So now after, just take down, let's say 15 cents USDT. That's what you are going to be charged. So we head on to Gala right now. You head on to Gala USDT. Once you buy it, you go and purchase Gala without your BTC. Okay, so if you paste that BTC right here, so now we are pasting it, and this is the amount you are going to be getting, and they are going to be charging us fee of 10 that's 10 Gala, 10.5 Gala. Okay, so now we are going back. So now we have gotten the figure for the Gala. We copy it and come back to this particular place, and we search on Gala USDT, right? If you search on Gala USDT, okay, so just know that this particular video is very detailed, okay? So calm down and watch this video. You can still rewatch so as to get every step I showed you, okay? So now let's even know what 10 Gala is worth on USDT right now. So 10.5 Gala. So okay, no point. He's not allowing us to put the point. I don't know why he's not allowing us to put the point. Okay, let's just say 10 gala, so you'll be charging nothing less than 15 cents. Okay, so imagine you are going to be doing this trade between 3 tokens, cryptocurrencies, right? So that is 15, that's 15 cents times 3. You should know how much is that. That should be 45 cents. They are going to be charging you 45 cents for everything. You are going to be charged 45 cents. So now you are going to be pasting that gala right here. Okay, so if I paste in that gala, that amount, so I paste that gala amount, you see that we still have about $6 in profit. So once you minus your 45%, that's that 45 cents which they charge from fee, you still have about 6.35%. I mean 6.35 profit. Okay, so that is how it's being done, and that is how you can make profit out of this particular arbitrage I just showed you. Well, I don't have money in my Binance right now. That was why I was able to practicalize it. I can't just waste much time because I want my fans to get this particular update before it's over. Okay, that's why I'm just doing this. So if this video was helpful, do well to comment down the section below and give thanks, and all you have to do for me in return is subscribing to my channel. Click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new content, and also share my video. That's all you're going to do for me in return if this video is helpful to you. Alright, thanks for watching from the beginning to this part, and see you in my next video. Bye.